I'm going to go over the triple Qs on the 5-minute time frame and show you the channel that we are in for Tuesday. The top 10 stocks within this fund as of right now are Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Google, Broadcom, and Pepsi. Now to the triple Qs. We ended the week at $367.93, down more than 0.5%. To the north side from where we are takes us to roughly 368.78, and if we are down here, this right here would be a form of resistance. And the next level and the next target is the middle of the trend, and that is roughly 371.40. To the north side of that, at 2 standard deviations, is roughly 374.13, 375.39, and at 4 standard deviations, should we be so lucky to get back there, is roughly 376.68. Now, to the south side from where we are is roughly 367.52, and if we are up here, this is support, a level of support here, and down here at -4 standard deviations, which is roughly 366.16. And note there is a gap to the downside right here that starts at roughly 355.61 and closes out at 354.54, but that is not in the channel that we are in just yet. But I wanted to point that out. And note this gap to the downside filled at roughly 360.57. Now let me show you what we look like on the daily time frame. To the north side from where we are takes us to roughly 3 standard deviations. So this is the range here, and that is roughly $380.01 to the north side, and to the south side we are looking at roughly 355.53. On the weekly time frame, we are sitting right here at the middle of the trend. So to the north side of that takes us to roughly $444.09. And to the south side would take us to roughly $284.59. And let me show you what we look like on the monthly time frame. I've looked at this stock many times in the past. Back on July 8th of 2022, PayPal was in this ETF, and that has since been replaced, and PayPal has tanked. I do own PayPal, and I think the last time I bought it was in the maybe $66 range. But that is a buy and hold for me. I will be buying more of PayPal because it fits my criteria for a long-term buy and hold. All right, to the north side here, you can see this is where we hit the high. And if we get back to that range, that would take us to roughly 413. And I think it has the potential to possibly get up to $400 and let's say $98, but that is a long ways off. Right now on the monthly time frame, the RSI is at 61. And that does it for me for the triple Qs. If there is a stock or an ETF that you would like me to go over, please let me know.